Forex, stocks, futures, Trademiner 5.0 picks of the week.
Hello, ForexMilitia. Parsival here with the Trademiner picks of the 5.0 picks of the week, and starting out with Forex. We have a bearish EuroCAD, and it is 86% win rate over the last 7 years, and so this is a pretty decent. That's decent, right? There we have JP Morgan, bullish JP Morgan, 11 years, an 80% win rate with a probability from the north of medium. All right, and then we have a futures trade, gold, COMEX, 7 years, 86%, and a probability of high. Alright, so let's go to the charts and see what it looks like on the charts. Let's start out with this, and I'm going to remove some of this stuff. Let's see, let's just take this off to make it a little bit cleaner. Alright, and so there you go, it opens here. And as you can see, the EuroCAD is actually gaining right now. So we would be looking for it to stay below, most likely here or here, and then turn around, and then I will definitely take this short. All right. JP Morgan. You know what? I'm going to stay on the same chart. JP Morgan. And that's JP Morgan bullish, right? Now, with the current environment of the Dow Jones right now, I don't believe that this is going to be going long. I don't think so. Now, there's another aspect to it, that rates are going to be rising. So, since this is a bank, pretty much, their rates will actually rise with it, and that could actually mean that this could rally up into here. So that's good. All right, and gold. And right now we are in a trade that actually is putting gold as to actually fall. So this is basically going to continue. So what I'm going to be looking for is another pullback. We pretty much didn't get that pullback in here for this to actually work like I wanted it to basically take this trade. So I would be looking for that same pullback over into this area here to basically take this trade. And so that's the end of that. And let's go into the review. And right now it is still at 140. I didn't take any trades. There was a trade on Nike that I could have taken, but as you can see, I did not take that trade, and it was actually a good thing that I didn't, because after the CPI came out, it dropped furiously. So I'm glad I didn't get into that one. This was a good trade. I didn't take that trade. And this, not a good trade. This is setting up to be a good trade, but I can't trade futures at this level. And the euro is long, but of course that is short. I didn't get a setup. And the Kiwi is actually doing what it's supposed to be doing, but I didn't get a setup. I was looking for a pullback. And then the dollar yen is long, and I was looking for a pullback before I could actually get into there. But you can see that it's right now, it's pretty flat. It's not doing much of anything. And I just want to take a look at the Ethereum, the proof, the merge that basically happened. After the merge, it basically fell, and it's going a little bit lower. But that is basically it for the review. And so, with that, I will say knowledge is power. Be power hungry. Power to the people. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to this channel if you like the content. I will in the future I'll be going into basically creating some strategies using the EA Builder and PineScript. So stay tuned for that. And with that, I will say Parsival is signing out.